Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fire Sign. Messages for Aries. So under the deck, Judgment, Page of Cups, the Fool, and Wheel of Fortune. Things will turn into your favor, Aries, in the month of August, and you will be in this energy, or you want to be in this energy, going with the flow or living in the present moment. But someone from past coming back for reconciliation. Yes, someone from past coming back. They want brand new beginnings with you. They want to say apology, but you are thinking to make a decision regarding this relationship. Yes, you are in the process of making decision, Aries. So let's see your reading recent past. Four of Pentacles, the Empress, and Three of Wands. So you both are in long distance relationship. For some, you turn your back from this person and you are not I think you are holding back in recent past because Four of Pentacles with Three of Wands, but still waiting on them. There is some waiting game is going between you and your person, and you are, or for some you want to be in Empress energy because the Empress is here. You want to stand by your power. You want to be emotionally independent. Then present Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and the Sun. So you are in depression or anxiety type of energy, your sleep patterns are disturbing, then you decided to focus on your career, Queen of Pentacles, you are focusing on your abundance. Then after there is a transformation, then is a big happiness is coming into your life, that is the Sun. And for some kids also involved in this connection, Aries. Then future, Ace of Swords, Four of Wands, and Knight of Cups, and clarification got Strength, Devil, and Magician. So definitely in future you will stand by your power. So you want clarity from this side, and there is some communication is also coming, and definitely there is some obsession from your side or from their side. For some, this person may be toxic for you. Devil is very very dark energy. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. And Knight of Cups with Magician, someone is manifesting other person in this connection. It could be you or they, but someone is coming into your life, and this person is have a lot of romantic feelings for you, and this person is in slow moving, but someone is manifesting big. I think if it is you, you are manifesting something big into your life, or you're manifesting your person back into your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Three of Cups, Ten of Cups, Strength. Wow, they want reconciliation with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, you both are on the same page. Strength, you both are very powerful persons. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Two gods. Okay. Yeah. Intentions. think you both are on the same page, Aries. Under the deck, 8 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, and Knight of Wands and Judgment. Definitely both mirroring each other a lot. You are also in the process of making decision, and they also. For some, maybe one person in this connection going through some legal issues, but they are very, very passionate about you. For some, this person is always in and out of your life. There is no stability. They're stuck on you. Right now, they're thinking about to work on this relationship. Definitely, they are serious about you. They are very, very attracted to you, Aries. So their current feelings, Hierophant, 9 of Swords and 6 of Pentacles. Definitely in past, there is no equal give and take. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship, but your person is in and out of your life. But now they have regrets. Definitely, they also feeling the same way you are feeling right now. So they're thinking about commitment and equal give and take. And their intentions, 4 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, and 10 of Wands. Right now, their emotions are running high. They have regrets, definitely. And they're feeling alone. They're feeling rejected. Because you are on your power right now, you are concentrating on your career. But now they are feeling rejected. So lots of your twin flame journey, but their emotions are running high. They want reconciliation with you. Now they really want to work on this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. In past, maybe they are not expressing their feelings to you, but in future they will, and there is communication and apology is coming for you. Definitely a lot of issues, lot of trust issues between you and your person. They're going through a tower moment and they started listening to their intuition. You both are on the same page. I think lots of you have age difference between you and your person. You are very tired right now, Aries. Page of Wands, definitely communication, apologies coming, and one person is very good looking in this connection, and you are confused right now. For some, you have options also. You are on your power, Aries. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, you both want brand new beginnings with each other, but there are some issues. Maybe family could be the issue here, but for some, definitely there will be new beginnings. Yeah, it is one type of ending between you and your person, but you both want rebirth. Yes, new beginnings, brand new beginnings, but there is a lot of work to do. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. Decision time, absolutely. And twin flames, what I'm saying, the messages are coming. Yes, lots of you are in twin flame journey, and I'm very attracted to you. Wow. And religious factors, maybe religious factors affecting your love life. So the messages are decision time, twin flames, I am very attracted to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Surrender to the divine. So if you're not getting answers for your questions, so this is the message for you. Surrender your problems to the divine, especially when full moon is going. And the second message, a time for healing. So if you are going through a lot right now in your life, so this is the message for you. Take a break, especially for healing. Do meditation to heal completely yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.